Machine introduction. Mud guns and tapping drilling machines consists of drilling devices, mud gum, and poker devices, primarily used for large or thermal furnaces, to tapping and plugging holes. Features: small footprint in front of the furnace, compact structure, high strength, convenient and quick tapping and plugging. We have various installations: lateral movement type, rotary type, hanging up type, etc. Also, we have 3 power types: pneumatic rock drill, hydraulic rock drill, and combined pneumatic hydraulic rock drill. There are 2 control methods: remote control, wired manual control for urgency,